Bonjour mesdames, messieurs, soyez les bienvenus à cet endroit magnifique, entouré de personnes magnifiques, comme vous pouvez le constater. Soyez les bienvenus à la place du casino. Et ça, pour la 92e édition du Rallye de Monte Carlo. Alors, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this amazing place with these four amazing people. And you see behind us, we'll have a reveal of two beautiful cars, but that's for later. Let me first introduce to you some people who are really very important for this presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, the two-time reigning world champion, the youngest ever champion of the WRC. Give it up for Kalle Rovanperä. But also an 8-time world champion, making him actually the most successful driver ever in this legendary event. Also 9-time winner of the Rallye of Monte Carlo. Veuillez accueillir Sébastien Ogier. And then the most experienced driver of them all in the WRC history and team principal of the Toyota GAZOO Racing World Rally Team. Here's Jari-Matti Latvala. And save best for last, from Toyota GAZOO Racing, the chief engineer of the GR Yaris, Mr. Naohiko Saito. It's always a very special moment when the cars, and especially their drivers, they come up here on the start ramp and to drive into the mountains when they start their rally. Beginning a new season, this is the start of season 2024, that will take them around the world, facing all kinds of roads in all kinds of conditions. But let's ask them some questions, if I may. I'm going to start with you. Of course, Saito-san, thank you for joining us today. It's really an honor. You're standing alongside some really great drivers here. They really know what's required to succeed and to win what's necessary in the WRC. Now, for the chairman, Aikio Toyoda, the idea of drivers first was really important. Could you tell us why exactly?
First of all, on behalf of Mr. Morizo, our chairman, Mr. Akio Toyoda, we would like to say big thanks to all members of the Rally Activity and Rally Society community. And as you may know, the Morizo, Mr. Akio Toyoda, established GR brand and come back to the WRC. And also he started the running from the motorsports in order to making ever better car for the road car, like the GR Yaris, the road car. And then even after launching GR Yaris, he pushing the limit and then asking us to make it more improvement through our racing activity. He can allow us to the failure and braking by the pushing the limit by the professional driver driving. And also, we are now chasing and pushing the limit our development technology in order to make it more improvement. And this is a slightly we can accept or we can improve even if it's slightly discomfortable by the driver's feedback. We always improvement. That's the result of our driver-first philosophy to make it those cars.
Okay, we're really curious to discover them, but that's for in a few minutes, because Kalle, I have first a few questions for you too. You're really successful in that for the last time. You're already successful amazingly in the WRC. How excited are you to watch this here this weekend?
Yeah, of course, it's going to be really cool to see the season start again. Of course, this year it's a bit different for me. I'm not starting the rally here because I'm driving half of the championship. But yeah, it's still exciting supporting my teammates here. And yeah, of course, today to be launching our own special edition cars, it's going to be amazing.
Okay, I guess you're also excited to do the reveal in a few minutes. Could you tell us some more about your special edition?
Yeah, my edition will be quite flashy compared to Seb's car, but yeah, it has been a big process. It's a big honor from Akio-san, who has given us this opportunity to work on the special edition cars. So together with the people in Japan, we made changes to the four-wheel drive system. Also, the interior and the design is made with my really good friend from Finland. So the car looks really nice. It drives even better. So I'm sure people will love it. At least I'm really excited to get my hands on it properly and start to drive it. So it's gonna be a really cool car.
Okay, now I'm really curious to see what you made of it. But I heard a story about a donut. What's that all about?
So yeah, already a few years ago, Morrison gave me a challenge to do some donuts with him because he saw that I love to do them on the races also sometimes. And yeah, we have done some donuts with Morrison many times, and my car also has a donut mode in it for it. So I'm sure people will love it, and I think Akio also has been enjoying the car already, so it works quite well.
Okay, so you'll all be able to check the donut in a few minutes. Alors, Sébastien, je reviens vers toi. Alors, je crois que tout le monde attend quand même que pour la 10e fois, tu seras le vainqueur hein, aujourd'hui. Qu'est-ce que tu crois?
Bah, en tout cas, je ne vais pas cacher que c'est l'objectif. Maintenant, c'est jamais simple de gagner Rallye Monte Carlo. Ça a beau être mon 15e départ ici, je l'aborde avec toujours autant d'humilité. Je sais que c'est toujours compliqué de parcourir les Alpes à haute vitesse. Donc, même si la neige n'est pas forcément trop au rendez-vous cette année, les pièges vont être là avec de la glace, du givre certainement, et beaucoup de pollution, comme on dit, donc de saleté sur la route. Donc ouais, le rallye va être long, mais c'est sûr que si on pouvait aller chercher une 10e, ça serait juste fantastique.
On l'espère avec toi, bien sûr. Mais quand même, parlons également de l'édition spéciale. Tu as dessiné un peu avec ton idée également. Tu peux déjà nous révéler quelque chose?
Oui, un petit peu. Je pense que je vais commencer un petit peu comme Kalle l'a dit en anglais, par remercier déjà notre CEO, Morizo-san, Akio Toyoda, qui nous a offert une opportunité incroyable que de développer notre propre édition de la Yaris GR, qui est déjà de base une voiture fantastique et très appréciée par les fans de sport automobile. Mais ces éditions spéciales, qui seront malheureusement relativement limitées, on a pu ajouter notre petite touche personnelle, que ce soit du côté du design, de la couleur par exemple, pour moi, que j'ai pu choisir de rajouter un béquet à l'arrière, un aileron qui rappelle celui de la WRC. Et puis quelques petites touches de couleur françaises aussi pour rappeler mes origines. Et puis également, comme l'a dit Kalle, j'ai été impliqué dans le développement des différentiels, des réglages des différentiels. Et lui, il a un mode do not sur sa voiture. Moi, j'ai un mode qui s'appelle Push Seb. Et c'est celui que j'ai trouvé le plus efficace pour rouler à pleine vitesse avec cette voiture.
D'accord, chacun son accent un peu typique. Alors, now I speak English again, of course. Jari Matti, team principal. These are two world champions we have here next to us. What do you think? How great is it to have them both in your team again?
It is a unique situation for sure to have two world champions at the same team. But to be able to win, to be successful, you need drivers. Of course, first thing is to have a great product. And you need that product to give it to the drivers. But then at the end, you need the top drivers to make the results. And we are really happy and satisfied and proud having these drivers in our team, bringing us these victories. And then that's why we have built the special edition cars. And from these cars, we have built the Rally 2. And we have the Rally 2 for the very first time competing here in Rallye Monte Carlo. This is a very historical moment for our team, and thanks to the Morizo-san, who has been pushing us to build ever better cars, and we try to do that as well as we can. And today we will see the new future starting with the Rally 2s.
Okay, so the cars are top 10 now. I just asked Sebastian, do you think he'll be able Sunday to win for a 10th time?
He's a master of these conditions, but rallies are always different. Competition is tough. It's not gonna be easy, but knowing Seb and his mode, when he gets to the right mode, then he is in these conditions and this rally unstoppable. But he needs to get that mood, so I need to push him.
Okay, could you start now already?
Little bit, yeah.
Okay. En tout cas, bonne chance Sébastien tout à l'heure. And for now, I think it's time for the big reveal. So, gentlemen, could you please join your cars? I'll go in the middle. I'll go here in the middle. Sébastien, you go first. You go. No, they go first. They go first. Are you ready, guys? There we go. Sébastien Ogier, this is your car. Key features, four-wheel drive mode. They made their own designs with the little Sebastian accent. Okay, Kalle, this is your moment. Really impatiently waiting for this colorful car. 3, 2, 1, there we go. Cool. So, ladies and gentlemen, these two limited editions give the motorsport enthusiast the chance to own and drive their own very special car with the personal touch of one of these two real champions. So I give all the photographers and the media their moment to take pictures with these giants, with these world champions. So give them one more applause, and I would love to end with Sébastien. Bonne chance, bon rallye. J'espère dimanche le top 10 pour toi. Et en tout cas, mesdames, messieurs, merci d'être là avec nous. Ladies and gentlemen, we give a big applause to Sébastien to hopefully win for the 10th time this rally of Monte Carlo. And for you, ladies and gentlemen, have a really nice weekend. Enjoy the rally.